pens. And we're going to give a local shout out right now to the Vancouver Pen Shop. These guys have been around since the Expo days, since 1986. And a lot of people these days are converting rooms in their home into home offices, so you need your pens and your office supplies. Now, they're mainly taking phone orders. They do several mail runs a day. If you do know what you want, though, you can pop by and someone will help you. One person in the store at a time, though. It's a little space, so they only have room for a couple people to, you know, keep it safe. They've got tons of other office supplies, though, as you see here. Pens, refills, ink, anything you need for writing, notebooks, art supplies. So check them out. Vancouver Pen Shop right now. Just call ahead, order online, or pop in one at a time. Comments at btvancouver.ca. By the way, if you have a local business shout out you want to pass along, subject local.
Yes, and a lot of psychologists, mental health advocates are saying right now, too, that writing a journal can help you get through these times. So this store has everything, pretty much everything to do with writing. So they have notebooks, pens, ink, paper. So
it's fun to get your own little pen and personalize it. You know, you have your own little signature one. It's cool. You can just
I always
collect
just steal my pens from you.
That's right. Yeah. By the way, I need that one back.
All right. Thank you so much, Thor.